NVIDIA, a leader in semiconductor technology and AI computing, has reached a staggering $3 trillion market valuation. This milestone underscores the critical role of AI in shaping the modern economy. NVIDIA's dominance in producing GPUs, graphics processing units, used in AI training and inference has positioned it as a cornerstone of the tech-driven future. The company's growth reflects the broader AI boom, with sectors like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing integrating AI solutions at unprecedented scales. This surge has also invigorated the tech-heavy Nasdaq, signaling investor confidence in AI's transformative potential. However, critics warn of over-reliance on tech stocks and caution against a possible bubble similar to the dot-com era. The housing market remains a mixed bag. High mortgage rates, resulting from the Fed's interest rate hikes, have cooled demand, particularly among first-time home buyers. However, home prices remain stubbornly high due to limited supply. Construction of new homes has picked up, driven by incentives for affordable housing development. Rent prices, which surged during the pandemic, have begun to stabilize, offering some relief to renters. The pandemic-induced supply chain disruptions have largely subsided, but new challenges have emerged. The shift toward nearshoring and friendshoring is reshaping global trade. Companies are moving production closer to the U.S. or to allied nations to reduce dependency on countries like China. This trend is particularly evident in industries like semiconductors, where the U.S. is investing heavily in domestic manufacturing through initiatives like the CHIPS Act. Despite economic uncertainties, the U.S. job market has remained resilient. Unemployment is near historic lows, and sectors like healthcare, tech, and green energy are driving job creation. However, wage growth has been uneven, and many Americans are still grappling with the rising cost of living. The gig economy continues to expand, with platforms like Uber, DoorDash, and freelance marketplaces providing flexible income opportunities. Yet, concerns about worker rights and benefits persist. Consumer